Today we're having a sisters trip to the beach. Yay!
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
With Bella. Say hi.
Hello.
Should be fun. Woo! We by far have the biggest blanket in the whole beach for 2 people. When some random other dogs are drinking Bella's water. It's like the watering hole at the beach. Bella's not happy. Alright guys, it's empty. Off you go. Off you go. Go on. Go on. Go. Shoot. Are you ready to go home, Bella? Bella gets sick of the beach really easily. Like, for half an hour she's good.
Do you want to go home?
And then she's just like, yep, I'm ready to go.
Do you want to go for a swim?
Go for a swim. Just left the beach. It was beautiful. The water was a little cold though, so I didn't go for a swim. Thank you. And now we're heading to get lunch. We're going to get an acai bowl. I've never had one before, so I'm looking forward to trying one for the first time.